Sesibuka ke section 2.5 number 38. Number 38 usibuza ke ukuthi thola izinombolo u-x lapho u-f khona discontinuous discontinuous sithole izinombolo lapho u-f khona continuous from the right or left or neither kulezi ezinombolo discontinuous khona u-f. So sithola izinombolo lapho discontinuous khona u-f and then sithathe ke lezo sithole ukuthi ngiziphi zazo lapho are continuous from the right and are continuous from the left. Sibuke lokho and then bese siya sketcha ukuthi sithola ukuthi u-f ubukeka kanjani lapho. Asiqale ke ngokuthola ukuthi u-f udiscontinuous kuphi. Siyabuka ke lapho ukuthi le i-polynomial ngakho ke angeke kwenzeke ukuthi ibe discontinuous anywhere. Okay, okusho ukuthi ke masibuka izinombolo zethu sibuka lapho u-x e1 khona lapha sithola ukuthi i-polynomial everywhere including lapha okusho ukuthi i-continuous from minus infinity up to 1. And then sesithola ke ukuthi uma u-x phakathi kwa 1 no 3 sino 1 over x so to 1 over x lapha between 1 and 3. And then u-x uma emkhulu kuno 3 noma elingana no 3 sino square root of x minus 3. Sesiyabona ke ukuthi uma ngabe u-x u-f continuous anywhere kufanele kuba ngilapha noma yilapha kuphela, ayikho enye inombolo lapho f engaba discontinuous khona naku 0 ngoba siyabona ukuthi lapha u-f akasi defined at x is equal to 0. Sesiyabuka ukuthi u0 akekho la ngakho ke u0 ula so sino x plus 1 ku0 hayi u1 minus over x ngakho ke u0 akekho asimconcede kule problem yethu. So u1 noma u3 kuphela. Sesibuka ke ku1 siyabuka ke ukuthi sibona kanjani ukuthi u-f u-continuous noma u-discontinuous. Sibuka ke ukuthi uma ngabe kusho ukuthi u-f sicala ngokuthola u-f at 1 ukuthi ubani. Siyabona ke ukuthi when x is equal to 1 udefinewa ngile function lena ngakho ke u-f at 1 u2. And then sesiyabuka ke ukuthi uma sithatha i-limit as x approaches 1 sithatha from the left c of f of x siyabona ukuthi uma sisuka ngalolu hlangothi lolu siyathola ukuthi ilimit yethu u2. And then sesithatha ilimit as x approaches 1 simthatha from the right. Sesiyabuka ke ukuthi lapho uma si approacha from the right this is the function ngakho ke u-f of x ilimit yethu 1 over 1 which is 1. Ngenxa yokuthi lama limit lena ehlukene right and left okusho ukuthi ke u-f u-discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Sesiyabuka ke ukuthi u-discontinuous at x is equal to 1. But ngesizathu sokuthi ke uma sisondela ku x is equal to 1 sondela ku x is equal to 1 sisuka ngesehlangothini lwangasokuncele siyabona ukuthi siya u-f ilimit as x approaches 1 from the left uyafanana no f at 1 ngakho ke sithi continuous from the left, the function yethu at x is equal to 1. So sibuka ke ukuthi at x is equal to 1 i-function yethu it is continuous, and then sithola ukuthi i-continuous from the left at x is equal to 1.